Hello and welcome. I'm Becky Geddes, Associate Dean for Public Services at University Libraries. Over the next few minutes, I'll give you a quick introduction to the libraries. It would take a lot more time for me to describe all the ways the libraries can support your teaching and research. I encourage you after the video to visit sc.edu/libraries/faculty for an online guide to library resources for faculty. So let's talk for a minute about library support for teaching. University Libraries has an eReserves module embedded in Blackboard Ultra. We can link articles, book chapters, and streaming films from our collection to your course reading list. Our librarians can also work with you to locate and link free educational resources that save your students money. The library's team of research and instruction librarians can create resource guides, tutorials, and in-person instruction sessions customized to your specific course assignments. Do your assignments include multimedia options? The library's Technology Lounge has a video and audio production studio for use by students and faculty. Video editing software is available as well. The library's research collections and services to support research are vast. The general collection includes online journals, ebooks, newspapers, streaming films, and print materials, curated to support the research needs of the USC community. Each academic department has a librarian liaison to offer support and keep abreast of research areas. Students and faculty can book an appointment with a librarian for customized research support. The library also has experts in data management and data visualization to help with compliance, organization, and design of your research data. You can find help with creating and hosting digital projects, open scholarship, and archiving your research in our institutional repository. Look for workshops throughout the year on these topics or set up a consultation with one of our experts. University Libraries is fortunate to have acquired many and very distinctive collections and archives. The recently restored South Caroliniana Library, located on the Horseshoe, is the preeminent archive of South Carolina history and culture. You may find your next research project in the collections housed in the Hollings Special Collections Library, the Moving Image Research Collections, or the Oral History Department. For example, faculty from English and Media Studies have explored the Gary Lee Watson collection of 180,000 comic books for teaching and publication. College of Engineering faculty have partnered with librarians on an NEH grant using AI to annotate digitized archival films. Bring your class to explore medieval manuscripts, political archives, or Scottish literature. Look for rotating exhibits featured in the libraries each semester. I hope what you take away from this video is that we're glad you're here and hope you'll visit us soon, either online or at the library. Please let us know how the library can support you and your work here at USC.